Pioneer has announced the launch of a new UHD Blu-ray player that is directly part of its highest range of this type of device. It is the model UDP-LX800, a team that focuses on the quality of construction and specifications as a sign of identity against the lower ranges. To reduce the vibrations of the optical reader and the interferences that may cross the chassis of the equipment, it has been chosen to give it a thickness of no less than 4.6 mm with double-layer steel and without the traditional ventilation grills located in the top of the team. In addition, inside 3 sections or blocks have been separated to have differentiated and isolated the power supply of the analog sound section and the digital processing in charge of processing the video signal. All this makes the total weight of the equipment amount to about 13.8 kilos. The UDP-LX800 has dual HDMI output, several predefined modes for SDR and HDR content, support for Dolby Vision playback of SACD discs and the PQLS system to improve the accuracy of the signal if we have a Pioneer Avenue receiver.